Ghana, who has been a valued friend in Africa and a key partner in Global South. The talks that will be taking place with their president, that will provide an opportunity to boost India-Ghana friendship across various sectors. It is also an honor to be getting the opportunity to address the Parliament of Ghana on the 3rd of July. So the Prime Minister, who has embarked on this historic visit today evening, where he is expected to reach Ghana, where he will be meeting the President of Ghana, and the Prime Minister has mentioned how India-Ghana ties would be boosted, and this plan that is now concerned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi is now expected to address the Parliament of Ghana as well. This is the key leg of the Africa tour that is now begun of the Prime Minister, of course, with other countries in the fray, where the Prime Minister would be visiting Trinidad and Tobago. He will be visiting Argentina as well. He will be present for the BRICS summit in Brazil, and of course he will be concluding in another historic visit that would be to Namibia. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in his departure statement, where he has said that later this evening I will reach Ghana, a valued friend in Africa and a key partner in the Global South. The talks with President Dramani that will be taking place to provide an opportunity to boost India-Ghana friendship across various sectors. And it is also an honor to be getting the opportunity to address the Parliament of Ghana tomorrow, which is the 3rd of July. So this is a historic visit that we are looking at of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has already departed on this five-nation tour, over 8 days that it would span. And of course, this time on the sidelines of the BRICS summit, this is coming across as a historic tour that the Prime Minister has now undertaken.